Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to find PDF and PPT files using Google. This is super helpful if you're looking for presentations, documents, or reports that you can download directly. Let's get started. So here we are on google.com. Let's say we're looking for a presentation on digital marketing. Instead of scrolling through endless websites, we can search specifically for PowerPoint files by adding a special keyword. All you need to do is type your search term, followed by file type. For example, I'll type digital marketing PPT and press enter. And here you go. Google shows us results that are specifically PowerPoint presentations related to digital marketing. You can click on any link to directly download or view the PPT. You can do the same for PDF files. Just type your topic and then file type. For example, machine learning PDF will give you a list of PDF documents related to machine learning. This method is perfect if you need research papers, reports, or other documents that are usually shared in PDF format. It saves you time and gets you straight to what you're looking for. And that's it. Using Google to find PDFs and PPTs is easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe for more useful tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.